What are the rules when it comes to SEO copywriting and SEO content? What is SEO content? How do I write it for the search engine? How many words do I need to use? How often should I use my keyword? We are going to talk about all of this in today's quick and easy training. I am Rachel, your favorite SEO nerd, also the president and founder of Etched Marketing and Etched Marketing Academy. I've been an SEO strategist and led teams for years, and now I teach you, my favorite small business owners and entrepreneurs who want to learn SEO, but maybe you're afraid it's a little too techy. Guys, it's not, and I'm going to show you how. So, the first thing we're going to talk about is what exactly is SEO copy or SEO content. So they're the same thing. It's the copy, the content, the words on your page or your blog post. That's it. That's what SEO copy is. It's just copy. It's whatever words you're writing on that page or that post. How many words do I need? So I don't believe in giving steadfast rules when it comes to copy development. I never allowed my clients or my teams to write with strict rules in place. A lot of the copy production houses do, but I feel that's where we get very stifled content. It's more important that we write for the consumer. So as a general rule, you're probably not going to want to write less than 300 words because less than 300 words isn't really going to answer anybody's question. So I want you to focus on answering your customer's question thoroughly. Give them the information that they need. Help them make the decision or move to the next step. Do not fill with fluff. Just having a higher word count is not going to help you, especially if it's a bunch of fluff that's not necessary that they're not going to read. So you want to write for the consumer. What is it that they want to know? If you're not sure what you need to include in it, think back to elementary school grammar. Who, what, why, where, when, and how. Answer those questions within your content and you'll be fine. Now, the next natural question is, how many times do I use my keyword? Again, I'm not going to tell you. I'm going to tell you to write your content to answer your customers' questions. You will naturally use your keywords when you write this way. If you approach it with, I need 500 words and I need to use the keyword 6 times, your content is not going to be as good as if you just say, I need to answer this question for my ideal customer and I need to give them the information that they need. So write for your customer. Do not worry about how many times you're using your keyword. Do not worry about your word count initially. Once you are done, I want you to read through it and I want you to see how many times did you use your keyword naturally. Does it make sense? Does it feel like you've stuffed it? Keyword stuffing means you've used the keyword too many times and it feels awkward. Read that copy out loud to yourself and you will be able to tell if it's good or if it's stuffed and if you need to edit. And the beauty of this is you can fix anything in editing. So go back through, make sure you've used your keyword in your first paragraph. It's real important to use it in the beginning. It's also a really good idea to use it in your title of your page. You should also have it in your title tag and your meta description. If you're not sure what those are, here's your videos, title tag and meta description. They'll walk you through it. If you're not sure how to choose your keyword, you know I've got a video on that. So make sure you're using your SEO keywords in your content, in your header, and then you're also going to want to use it in your header tags. And I'm going to put a little example up here real quick so that you can see what a header tag looks like. Header tags are bigger than the other copy. So you want to set your header tags or they're kind of the separator between your content, the subparagraphs. You want to set those as an H2 tag. Putting on my little SEO nerd hat for just a second, but this is very easy. You can usually choose a drop down within your admin area where you're writing your post. Go ahead and click highlight that subparagraph or that subsentence basically and turn that into an H2 tag. Make sure your keyword is in there. That's going to help you from an SEO standpoint. Okay guys, SEO content recap very quickly. It is the content on your website page or your blog post, You should include your keywords, but use them naturally. Do not try to force them. So write and then go back and see if you've used them the right way. Do not write with a word count in mind. You will naturally find that you end up a short blog post that doesn't have a whole lot of information or a fairly easy subject is going to probably be in the 300 to 500 word range. A more in-depth blog post or a more complex topic will generally be 750 to 1,000 or potentially even over 1,000 words. Write the information your customer needs. Don't worry about your word count. You can always check it later. That is your intro to SEO content. Now, if you're ready to learn more about SEO, grab my SEO Quick Start Guide. I will put the link in the comments. It is super easy to walk through, shows you what to do, how to use SEO, how to choose keywords, where to use them, and it has a super handy SEO checklist that you can use to make sure that you are ready to go before you hit publish. And then number 2, super excited. I have a new free SEO training class just for you. It is for my online entrepreneurs, my small business owners, my people who are frustrated by SEO or confused by it and don't know where to start. It is 3 crazy easy secrets to getting found on Google so you get more website traffic without buying ads. And it is available now. There's a link in the comments where you can register for that class. Like I said, it's free. It's going to walk you through what to do for SEO on your site, how to choose keywords, what to think about when choosing keywords, and it's going to help you get started today, and it is just for you. All right, if you found this helpful, do me a favor, like, subscribe, you know the drill, and I will see you back here soon. Have a great day. Bye, guys.